So this is video number 2 of the ASUS Vivobook that was delivered today. Check out the unboxing video, first one. Here we're going to use it for the first time. We've had it plugged in, charging. And so let's plug up the screen. It's been on charge, what, 15 minutes? Let's see if it comes on. Hold it for longer. Oh, I saw something. Did you see it? It said ASUS. Is that light on? Is that on? What happened? Did we just turn it off? Alright, let's try it again. Let go. There we go. ASUS insert. Oh yeah, we must turn it off. So it's now starting for the first time. ASUS Vivobook. It's a 5800H, 16 gigabytes of RAM. Internal no external extra GPU. This was it discrete GPU. So it's using the 5600H. GPU should be powerful enough. 16 cores, 16 gig RAM, 5. Ooh. So this is what it's like when you start it. Go through the process, set it up. Have you got your Gmail account? I mean Microsoft account. Have you got one? You got one? You might have to create one. They normally want you to set up a. So it goes to the keyboard. The screen is, yeah, that's one thing about the Vivo. The screen is OLED and it is not HD, not 1440p, but it's a higher res, a 2880 by I think 1440. So it's a massive, it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. It's got good signal strength. Yeah? That's failure. Is that the signal strength? That's not the actual strength, is it? Should be able to pick it up. Verifying. It's a very bright screen. That is a good screen for a laptop. You can tell. I'm not even playing movies or games on it yet. So the internet set up. Now what's it doing? Making sure you have the latest, or it's checking for updates. We'll test some games in this, see what they like. But first impressions are good. I can hear something. What's that? Is that the fan? So this is what it sounds like. So that's the fan. Where's the heat coming out from? The back. I don't know. Can't feel any heat. The exhaust. So you got 2 USB ports here. You got a USB port on that side. You got HDMI port. Let's have a look what ports we got. You got a HDMI, that USB here. So an HDMI and USB there. What's this? Is that a headphones? Headphone. Is there nowhere to stick in a SD card? Does this come out? See, it doesn't come with any information. Is there anything to stick a SD card in? Front? No. So you got no SD card. You have to use the external. Yeah, so just come with 2 USBs, 3 USB and 1 HDMI for an external monitor. Please, so accept your Windows. What version Windows? 10 or 11? That looks like number 11 to me. You accepted without reading? They've got you now for life. Bill Gates. Robot Gates has got you for life now, good. You should never accept TNC without actually reading the whole lot. They own you now. Right, so it's setting up. Microsoft, have you got one? You want to create one? What? No, don't use your Gmail account. You want to use some account that can end. What? No, just to keep it simple. Use your Gmail account. It's just an email account. You're creating an account for your computer to use your Gmail. Yeah. So you want to make sure that the account you use it's not gonna expire like university accounts do. So you have to choose a password. Keep it simple. Let Microsoft. No. Yeah, you don't want Microsoft Bill Gates to know where you are. You have to find your device. Nope, you don't want to find. You want to be anonymous. Send diagnostic. No. You don't want them diagnosing your medical condition. Yeah? That's for the doctor. Prove inking and typing. Not irrelevant. Look any different? Yeah, it looks pretty shiny. Access granted. Free trial. Do you want free trial? No. You're gonna have to install them then. Have you got your school thing? Your uni thing? Do you use it? What? Game Pass. Oh, you want Game Pass? You don't want Game Pass? Or is it just for Xbox? What's that? Support protection. You got your daddy. He's your technical support guy. You got even better support than Microsoft. Oh, now we go checking for updates. This could take forever. Ooh, meet Windows 11. We're getting you the next version of Windows. What? What's it saying? It's updating. Take a peek. This is Windows. This is Windows 11 installed on it, isn't it? Yeah. Go through the slides, takes you through while it's downloading, updating at the bottom. So it's gonna take a while to update, and then we'll finally get into the machine. Now we enter into Windows. Don't tell me you forgot it already. Hi. Still getting things ready? Or you just left it? Alright then. We're not quite there yet. It's not a PC, it's a laptop. It's a good screen though. It's bright. Nits, it's got good nits. You know, and you're not talking about the nits in your hair. It's the... What are you looking at? Is it thin? Yeah. Don't pick it up from the screen. Yeah, it's it goes that, it doesn't go further flat, but it's, you know, it's rigid. It doesn't like flop over. Look after it now. Make it last 5 years. I can hear the fan. Where's the heat coming from? There's no heat. This runs a fan. You could set that to quiet mode. Alright, so it's still not finished. Oh, has it? Whoa, we're in. Sit down. ASUS. So it's the ASUS Vivobook 5600H. Yeah, go YouTube. Oh, you have to set that up as well. Oh, we get in there. Accept all. We want you to log in. What's this? Don't miss the music. Play anything. Do that robot there. The gun. Mountains. Black mountains. 4K. You want to play 4K? Alright, let's play 4K. See what it looks like. Play full screen 4K, but this is not a 4K screen. Oh, adverts.
I've never seen anything like it.
What movie is that? What's that movie? What? Predator. Ooh, we can go up to. This is 4K now. Yeah, it's the internet now. Speed is gonna impact. Ooh, 2 hours. That screen looks good for a laptop. What happened? Oh, internet connection. Do it lower. It's gonna keep stalling. It's gonna go to 1440p. Yeah. Whoa, this is what Adnan likes to watch. You said that you like this sort of stuff, Bug? What? No, alright. You just like random. So that is 1440p. There is some jittering. Look, can you see? It's not entirely smooth. Yeah, can you tell? What? Is that the Wi-Fi? Might be Wi-Fi related. We'll do proper benchmarks in the next video, but that was, running the ASUS Vivobook for the first time, switching it on, installing, getting up and running, and the first test. You come from there, go. That's Kashmir, that. It looks just like that. The mountain men, Yetis. Yeah, it looks good. What do you think? It's not bad for 600 quid. Screen display. Is it an upgrade from your laptop? How much of upgrade? A lot. No. If that's 1 out of 10, what would you rate this? If the old laptop was a 1 out of 10, what would you rate this out of 10? 8. What? 7.5. So it's good. So the other one wouldn't be able to run YouTube like that. Oh yeah, fine. Yeah, there's not even running. But look, yeah, because you're gonna have to be close to a router for high resolution for YouTube, or plug it in. Has it got Ethernet port? No, you're gonna have to be close to a router or some kind of repeater. You are trying to run 1440p. If you go down to HD, it should run. HD 720p or that. You can tell the difference in quality has gone down. Go up to HD. You can tell that's yeah, more detail. Go up more. Let's have a look. Let's see how good the screen is. We're going to the full blast. So this is between 1440p and 4K. It's not 4K. It's the oh, look at how good that is, but it's gonna buffer. It's not 4K, it's between, it's 2880. 4K is 338 20, something like that, so it's less. It's higher than 1440p but less than 4K. You know, all my monitors, they're 1440, so this screen is higher resolution than my monitors. You don't really need that high resolution. what they put on the screen, you don't really need it. HD would be enough. 1440p would be good, but they've gone overkill. Anyway, that's the Vivobook, what's it called? ASUS Vivobook 5600H. Set up, installed, running. Gonna be Adnan University computer. I might get similar. Yeah, don't need a GPU, just use the one built in. The AMDs are good chips. And do remember to subscribe for more videos. Check out the next one where we benchmark it. Yeah, we'll benchmark it in a few days.